Truth is revealing because it creates light around your narrative. Sometimes we don't like that because the narrative that we have and we hold is challenged. And I think we're coming into a time, there's a line being drawn, and it is becoming so increasingly obvious to those who can see. And it's dividing, and that line is love, and everything will either be love or it won't be. That's it. That's it. There is nothing else. There's nothing else. It's love or it's not. And so then it calls us to reflect inward on our minds, our hearts, our thoughts, our ideas, our actions, our beliefs.